Hi guys, and welcome to this week's Come and See activity for Key Stage 1. Now this week we're going to focus on Year 1's topic, which is the word change. And that whole idea that Lent is a time for change. Now you could change, see what I did there? The word change for something else. You could change it to the word transform. Going from one thing to another, letting one part of you wear away while the other grows and you become something completely new, completely different, and often better suited for where your life is now going. Something that does this very well in our own world is the humble butterfly, which starts off like a caterpillar. It's not really very elegant, it's not really very beautiful, very fancy, but it can, just wiggles along, eats itself some leaves, and then it goes into a cocoon. And it stays in there, it stays confined in there for a little bit of a lockdown. But it also just stops, it fasts, it pauses, much like we do in Lent. It stops and takes stock and starts a bit of a transformation, so that when it emerges, it becomes a butterfly. Beautiful, elegant, and can do all these amazing things that the caterpillar was unable to do. Now this is what Lent is like for us. We are the caterpillars in our cocoon. We are getting ready for something amazing to happen. And we're giving ourselves a chance to change, to transform, to be something bigger, something better. So here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to use this template I'm going to send to your teachers. This is obviously a butterfly. Now what I'd like you to do is cut out said butterfly, and you're going to tape a little bit of string to the butterfly so it kind of dangles there and flies for itself. Now I don't want you to do that yet, I want you to do that last. Because here's the thing about butterfly, when the butterfly comes out, the thing it shows off to everyone is its beauty and its colour and all the amazing things in its wings. It shows the change, it shows the difference, it shows the things it wanted to be, the things it couldn't show when it was a caterpillar. So what I'd like you to do now, my bunch of little caterpillars, is to fill in the wings of your butterfly. What are the things that you want? What are your hopes and dreams? And I want you to put those into the wings of your butterfly. And then let your butterfly dangle from part of your house. It might be your bedroom, it might be outside, but let it dangle somewhere. And let it constantly remind you of what you're cocooning for, of why you are keeping yourself in, why we're spending this time in Lent reflecting and thinking about the things we want to be better, the things we want to do better. That is your challenge this week. Take your butterfly template and fill it with your hopes and your dreams, so that when we get to Easter, you can look back at those wings and think, I did all that. That's the stuff I did. These are all the amazing things I've done. And now look at how amazing I am. How amazing God made me to be. So that's your challenge. Fill in the butterfly with your hopes and dreams, lots of colour, and hang it up to float around and fly a bit. Ready? Steady. Go.